Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because I have this huge, heavy box. My friend Laura over at FOODMAKEUPSKIN reached out to me asking if I wanted to do a box swap. She was so cute. She was worried because she messaged me. She was like, hey, let me know when the package gets to you. And I'm like, yeah, I haven't gotten it yet. She had confirmed with the post office when it was supposed to arrive. It didn't arrive on the arrival date that she was hoping, but understandably so, with everything with COVID going on, there is some delays. It is here. It is heavy. I literally was shocked when I picked it up off the porch. I'm like, holy crap, this is heavy. I'm super excited. I've only sliced it open. I have no idea what is inside. I'm so excited to share this experience with you guys and show you everything that she sent over my way. I'll leave my friend mail playlist to watch previous friend mails. And if you're visiting from Laura's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Don't forget to check out Laura's channel to see what I sent her way. And this is what the inside looks like. I am so excited because I see Swedish fish. I absolutely love Swedish fish, but it is the crushed fruit mix, which I have not tried yet. I love candy. It's that time of the month right now, so I really just want sweets. Oh, they smell good. So we have yellow. It tastes like normal Swedish fish. Let's see if orange tastes different. It tastes like normal Swedish fish. I think the color variety is really cute. This whole bag is gonna be gone within a couple days. So they're supposed to be orange, grape, pineapple, and strawberry flavored. Oh, what's this? This is the Studio 35 Beauty Nourishing Mask for hydrating and moisturizing for healthy looking skin. Definitely need to do a mask stat this weekend. I can't recall trying any Studio 35 beauty products before. Oh, we got some coffee. Single serve, pour over. We have Ethiopia Light Roast. And then we have the Expedition Blend Medium Roast. I'm a huge coffee drinker. I don't drink as much coffee as I used to like in college, but I have at least 2 to 3 cups a day. So I see myself at least trying one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Definitely need those pick-me-up coffees in the afternoon. From Niep, we have the Mineral Bath Salt. I definitely need to take a bath and just relax, put on some Netflix or something. But I really want to renovate my tub first. Like, it's not a bad tub, but I just don't like part of my body being exposed in a tub. I want just like my head to be sticking out of it. New tub TBD. This is from Garnier. This is the Invisible Dry Shampoo. Refresh and Volumize. Well, I don't need volumizing. I have a lot of hair. It's not cooperating, so it's in a bun. This is the Coco Colado. Instantly absorbs oil with no visible residue. That is one of my biggest pet peeves with dry shampoo, is the residue and the white cast that it shows. So hopefully it claims as it does and we won't get that. And I can always use more dry shampoo. I go through it so quick because I hate washing my hair. I definitely try to push as many days as I can without having to wash it. It's just a pain. I shed. There's so many knots. It's just a mess. I am definitely overdue for a haircut. I have not tried Garnier's dry shampoo before. I religiously use the Batiste dry shampoo. I can get a duo pack at BJ's Wholesale for around $10, and usually one can is about maybe $8. I don't know if this was like an ice pack or just some buffer in here. That way nothing gets broken, but this is not going to help my ADD. Oh, we got more dry shampoo. This is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I have not tried this brand either. I know my friend Catherine uses their shampoo and conditioner, so I'm excited to try one of the brands that she uses in her routine. Ooh, we got by Sky Organics. This is the 100% and natural apricot kernel oil moisturizing oil for hair, skin, massage, or DIY. I really like how it's multi-purpose. I would probably use this more for my hair. My hair definitely needs the most moisturizing out of all those things. I mean, my dry skin too, but I have my oils that I already know and love for my face. I have from Schmidt's. This is the Rose and Black Pepper Hemp Seed Oil. Oh, a natural deodorant. I have not tried a natural deodorant before. I just buy whatever I can find in bulk at Sam's or Costco. You don't realize how pricey some things can add up until you're paying for them yourselves. Like, I never appreciated when I was younger when mom and dad used to buy everyday items like shampoo, deodorant, toothpaste. All that stuff adds up over time. But I've always been curious on natural deodorant. I know there's an ad on YouTube about aluminum being in your deodorant and how that can cause a bunch of different things. So I've always thought about like the alternative trying a natural deodorant, so I'll have to keep you guys posted. I know Jen Loves Review did a very thorough video on natural deodorant. Definitely check that out if you are curious as well. And we got more Not Your Mother's. This is the Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. I definitely miss that sea salt feeling. I grew up really close to the beach. In high school, I can recall us going to the beach like every single day after school. It didn't really do anything else for my hair except feel really nice. Maybe volumize it a little bit more, but like nothing with softness or shine. I don't think I've ever tried a sea salt spray before. And then we have the Toes in the Sand Sea Salt Pedicure Soap Scrub. When I realized that my camera had shut off on me, I had actually scooped a little bit out and tried it on my hand. It doesn't even feel like a scrub. It is so gentle. I know it's for your feet for a pedicure. I kind of want to just use it as an all-over scrub. I don't really use scrubs on my feet or feet masks. I have super soft feet, and even like walking around the house kind of irritates my feet, and just like the hardwoods alone can irritate them, so I usually have socks or slippers on. But this actually made my hand feel super soft, a little sticky because I don't have water to help the scrub lather up a bit, but I like how it feels compared to this hand that still feels pretty rough. I know, I'm curious to see what's in this bag. We don't have a Megere. Sorry if I am butchering that, but there is none of that around where I live. They are stickers. I have the planner where I have a cute vacay sticker or PTO, lunch date. I love stickers for my planner. Oh my gosh, I am a project manager. I always have a never-ending to-do list. I am obsessed with that. How cute is this little passport? And speaking of passport, mine just came in from being renewed. Finally, I was a little scared that it was not gonna get renewed for whatever reason. And oh my gosh, you're the best. How cute. I don't have thank you cards. And I definitely just need to keep a stash of them, so that is really cute. I was having a conversation with my friend Josh last night, how we're both obsessed with like notebooks, stationery, and how I just hate using notepads and notebooks because everything is just so cute and I don't want to get rid of the cuteness so quick. So we are trying to help each other get over that fear a little bit. There's just something so satisfying about a new notebook, it being clean, nothing written in it. But there's also something so satisfying about a full notebook being like written up, whether it's like notes or you're journaling, venting, whatever it may be in a journal. Aches and Pains Muscle Relief. Actually, I might give this to Griffin whenever his hockey league starts back up. He has some knee problems playing football, hockey, and pole vaulting back in the day, so that's something I will pass on to him. How cute is this? Oh wow, there's like a bunch of different goodies in here. Holy crap. Ooh, we got some earrings. Oh, pirate skulls. Arrgh. I love it. I love skulls so much. I have been wanting statement earrings so much. Definitely check out my friend Karen. She did a collection of her earrings. I've been wanting to get some earrings that she has. This is definitely one of the styles that I saw in her collection that I wanted. I love this rich emerald green. It reminds me of Slytherin. So this is a daily facial oil, and then this is a cleansing facial oil. I have not tried anything from this brand either. This is from Eco Lips. We have organic charcoal teeth whitening strips. I know I tried the Crest charcoal activated toothpaste. It definitely helped a bit. This one tooth right here is a little discolored just from all the coffee that I drank. So I definitely want to give these a shot. I used to be obsessed with whitening my teeth to the point where my teeth were so sensitive that the dentist couldn't even clean them. But we're not done yet in this little goodie bag. We have by Love Beauty Planet. This is the coconut milk and jasmine hand cream. I need hand cream. I have the driest hands and they're always looking chapped, especially now with constantly washing them. And hand sanitizer. She put a Purell hand sanitizing wipe in here. Love that. We have a sample of the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is something I'm glad I revisited because I really enjoy that. Ooh, spooky season's coming around. Got these cute little pumpkin earrings. I am not a fan of real life spiders, but these earrings are super cute. We have some sunscreen lotion, which is something I want to get some use out of, but being indoors, haven't really need for sunscreen. Oh, we got some bats. Oh, she prepped me up for Halloween. Yes. Ooh, and then these like cool web earrings. I have like a whole new earring collection right here. We have healing ointment from Aquaphor. I have not tried that brand yet. Oh, I love First Aid Beauty. The Ultra Repair Cream is my absolute favorite in the winter time. And then some more Purell hand sanitizing wipes. Those are definitely in a shortage right now, so I really appreciate them. We have a VitaCup infused coffee Genius blend. This is medium roast. Can't wait to try that. Oh, we have another goodie bag up in here. I love these little pouchies. I see lashes. We were talking about lashes the other day. She was like, I get so many lashes in my boxes. I don't use lashes. I definitely think I've hit the obsession mark right now of lashes. These are from Beauty Creations. They are 100% human hair. Interesting. These are definitely a more natural style, whereas I've been loving the dramatic, but I need more natural styles because I have pitiful lashes and they're gonna go so nice with neutral looks. Ooh, we have a nice like little lanyard to put your keys on. I know I'm constantly losing my keys and I really like these little sunflowers. We have by K Bella. This is the Professional Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask. Yes, always use masks. We have another thing from Sky Organics. This is the tea tree oil. Oh, I love tea tree oil. It's an essential oil. I haven't tried essential oils yet, but that's probably what's making everything in here smell so good. Oh, these Grace and Stella eye masks I am really loving. I got some of these in BOXYCHARM, and I also got some in Glow Addict. I love them for underneath my eyes, especially when my eyes get super puffy and I don't sleep a lot and it aches. We have by Unmasked Beauty the Mask Bar Silver Foil Peel Off Masks. Ooh, I'm gonna be looking like the Tin Man up in here. I haven't had the best of luck with peel off masks, so I hope that this one has like that nice satisfying peel off. More essential oils. We have from Free Reign Farm the London Thief Blend. These essential oils are cracking me up because it reminds me of the Bob's Burgers episode when Gail has the peppermint oils shoved up her nose. That is a mood. I love the smell of peppermint. We have some deodorant from Native. Does she think I smell and that's why I need deodorant? I'm just messing. And then from Art Naturals, we have the Moisturizing and Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Love vitamin C for brightening. That is going to go in the skincare fridge. And then we have the Peppermint Organic Lip Balm and the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Matcha Green Tea Hydrating Lip Balm. I definitely need lip balms. I got some really dry lips. Hope that these work out super nice, because what I'm using right now, nothing is helping. I feel like I haven't even made a dent in this box because there's still a half a box left. Ooh, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion product. I absolutely love this and my face could definitely go for it right now. I definitely see a spa day in my future with microdermabrasion, masks. We have from Lovebird, this is the Pina Colada Coconut Oil Melt. Definitely need cleansing balms for when I have a full face of makeup like I do today to melt it all away. Ooh, from Live Body. This is the Clean All Natural Multi-Action Foam Cleanser. Hopefully, between the cleanser, the cleansing balm, and the microdermabrasion, I'll have a really clean, smooth face. Hey girl, believe in yourself, energize, and be unstoppable. Citrus Blossom Caffeinated Energy Metabolism Blend, 100% natural herbal tea. I have been looking for a tea to help boost up that metabolism. Mine slowed way down way too early. Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. I haven't tried Dickinson's before, but Thayer's Witch Hazel, oh, I love it so much. We have a collapsible straw. That's really cool. Oh, and it comes in a case too. Oh wow, it's like a whole little contraption up in here. I am always down for more reusable straws, especially on the go. That way we can help save the turtles. I have another jelly thing up in here to make sure that nothing got damaged in transit. We have the Love for Louise Bombshell Whipped Body Cream. Ooh. I was gonna say, it doesn't really have much of a scent to it, which is kind of nice. Because sometimes with lotions, sometimes it can be too rich of a scent. Ooh, but my hand soaked that up right away. And it also feels super soft, but then again, I did use that pedicure scrub on my hand. So this hand needs to get on this hand's level. Ooh, more dry shampoo from Collab. It's a tropical fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. All 3 of these dry shampoos claimed without white residue. We'll definitely have to put them to the test to see which one absorbs the oil the most, as well as not having a white cast. Honestly, as long as there's no white cast, I'm going to be happy with all 3 of them. Oh wow, we have more from Sky Organics. This is the Organic Shea Butter Raw and Unrefined Nourishing Body Butter. As I've mentioned, I have super dry skin that's going to get some use out of it. And then also from Sky Organics, the Dead Sea Mud Mask Mineral Rich Purifying Face Mask. I'm really loving these body products. I haven't really bought any in a while. Definitely need to just have some self-care Sundays again to really enjoy and appreciate these products. So from Coral Toothpaste, we have a Moso Bamboo Toothbrush. Haven't had a bamboo toothbrush before. Waiting for that DIY in Animal Crossing. We have the all-natural African Black Soap. Moisturizing face and body cleanser with antioxidants and vitamin E in it. Holy crap, it looks like a rock. This soap is going to last forever. It is thick. It looks and feels like a brick. And then we have from 1520, this is the Brightening That Glow Though mask. I love sheet masks so much. We have from Pop Modern Sea, the body scrub. Yes, it's a coffee bean. Oh my gosh, I just ran out of my Organics coffee body scrub in the shower, so this is going to go in right away. Is this the brand Moquita? I'm not familiar with it. Hair care, this is the Microsphere shampoo, a rejuvenating shampoo for the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier hair. Oh man, I already have thick and full hair. I think I'll notice more of a difference if I try it on Griffin. Wow, I am very overwhelmed with all the products that are in here. Thank you so much, Laura. I had a blast unboxing this. This is amazing friend mail. I don't even know where to begin. I am so thankful that we have become really close over the past few months. I really enjoy our day-to-day conversations. I would love to know which product was your favorite that I unboxed from her amazing box of goodies. Definitely see some self-care Sunday in my future with all these body products. I know today is wash day for the hair, and then I'm going to implement these dry shampoos. Don't forget to check out her channel over at Food Makeup Skin to see when she unboxes my box of the goodies that I sent her. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.